for your video.
He's got a funny back end.
Yeah.
That was Milo, right? The black one?
Yep. What do you think, little cuddle bug? Are you furlong? Hi. Here, let's put you up here so we can see how cute you are. Oh, you don't want to be up there. I can pet you from here, though. Yeah. What do you think, babe? Are you leaving? Hmm? Hi, friend. Hi. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi. Where'd you go? There you are. Hi, pretty guy. Hi. Are you a pretty kid? Are you a pretty kid?